What's going on, guys? Charles Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, you guys, it's been a minute since I ran this bad boy here. This is the Arrma Granite, or the Arrma Granite voltage, let's just say. This is a two-wheel drive Granite. So this is out of Arrma's two-wheel drive line that they have. And this is one of their cheaper lines, and I wanted to get it back out because I did mention to you guys earlier a few weeks ago that hobby does have a truck sale. Sale, you can like $50 off on a big $50 off on this as well at the current time of this video, all the way up until the second sale. So it's $149 for this with the $50 off. Right through that water. Steering's off. Get that steering off. Check. Hold on. But you guys know mine is not completely stock out the box. What's going on with the steering? Hold on, y'all. See if they got it. Nope, that didn't get it. Alright. My bad, y'all. Steering completely off. Let's see. Nope. Nope. I think we might have got it. Let me see. Still off just a little bit. Get this tweak just a little bit. Still off. Goodness. I think I might have got it. Yeah, I got it now. My bad, y'all. Alright. Ran right through that little puddle right there that I wasn't trying to do, but it's all good. But I didn't want to let y'all know that mine's is not completely stock out the box. I am running a red cat system out of Red Cat Piranha two-wheel drive that comes in the Red Cat Piranha. So mine's not completely stock, but it's still brushed. And I'm running an 18-2 pinion gear. I think the stock out the box it comes with a 15 or I think a 16 actually. I think it comes with a 16-2 stock out the box. I'm running an 18-2 in here. So, but yeah, just thought I'd get this bad boy out and let you guys know. If you're looking for a cheap monster truck from one of the name brand boys, you can get you one dirt cheap. And this has held up. You guys have been following me for a while. You guys know I've had this thing for a while, several months now. And the only thing I've replaced, or I can say that I really broke it on here, is the plastic drive shafts, not drive shafts, but drive cups. Yeah, so it has plastic drive cups in the rear, so. And it was probably my fault, jumping and landing on the throttle as I jumped. So I did have to replace those, but other than that, one thing I've had to replace on here, as far as anything else that like the red cat system and all that stuff. And the only reason why I put the red cat Piranha motor in the ESC in here because it just has a little bit more power than the Arrma system. I mean, Arrma, you're gonna get about 20 miles per hour stock at the box with the Arrma system. I forgot what I got with this. I think I got like 26, 27 with this system in it that I'm running now. I got a speed test again. Comment below if y'all want another speed test with it. Y'all leave another speed test on. Y'all leave a couple comments below. I'll speed test it again for y'all. I can't remember what I got with it, but I know it was about 15 miles per hour that it comes with stock. And if you do end up picking one up, make sure you pick up a 2S LiPo. It does come with completely ready to run. It comes with the nickel metal hydrate battery, and it does come with batteries for the transmitter. And that's pretty good for the $100 you're gonna spend. That's pretty good for a 110 scale kit. But make sure you just go ahead, because when you're gonna want a little bit more speed and longer run time, go ahead and pick you up a cheap 2S LiPo. Minutes since I ran this bad boy. He's running pretty good. Actually how good this bad boy ran. Look at that. Brush trucks are fun, guys. You don't always need the 50, 60, 70 mile per hour stuff to have fun, guys. These brush ones are just as fun, I'm telling you. I gotta reposition my camera, my bad. I swear, like my car would be trying to go directly to the puddle. Look at that. Pretty good. Running pretty good. Two-wheel drive. So at some point I have to get this out against the Mammoth. Show you guys how they kind of perform against each other. This is cheaper than the Mammoth, but the Mammoth is bigger. But I think stock out the box, they probably got about the same speed. It might be a mile or two faster than the Mammoth stock out the box. Some of y'all don't know, the Mammoth is Team Corrales two-wheel drive truck. It's some smooth running, y'all. And this is just 2S LiPo running good. Which is all you really need for this. You don't really need to go crazy 3S and all that crazy stuff. Just enjoy the truck for what it is. It wasn't really made for all that brushless stuff like that. Some people did go brushless with them, and hey, it's on, but I don't think it's gonna hold up that long if you really want to try to be putting too much power to it. Just to get you a nice brush system in it, and you'll be fine. What this truck is, it runs fine. Look at that. Alright, y'all. Quick run of the voltage. Figure it's up a little bit. 2-wheel drive. So let you guys know this bad boy is on sale. Just check Horizon's website, horizonhobby.com. You guys can get it for about $99. That's a pretty sweet deal for a 110 scale 2-wheel drive monster truck for one of the bigger name companies, if that's what you're looking for. So take advantage. I'm your boy Jones the Dog. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next episode. Deuces.